Some years ago, I went to my cousin's wedding in France. I realized that it was so different than my wedding. When I got married in Spain, the most marriages were religious, whereas in France, most of them were already civil. Nevertheless, if we compare both marriages, there are some differences, but also some similarities. In France, bride and groom go together to the church or to the town hall, depending if it's a religious or if it's a civil wedding. I was very surprised because this fact in Spain is considered unlucky if the groom sees his girlfriend before the time of the wedding. Also, regarding the wedding dress, in Spain we used to buy we used to buy it with our mother or with a close family, but no anyone else can see it before this occasion. Guests are also buying new clothes for this special event. In my cousin's wedding, a lot of guests were casual dressed, and I could see that other brides, they were married at the same time that my cousin in France. They were wearing a normal dress instead to wear a traditional wedding dress. Another very interesting difference is that they wear the wedding ring on the left hand, and we wear it in our right hand. However, there are also a lot of similar tradition between one country and another. For example, tossing the bouquet, wearing something old, something new, and something borrowed. We also can find best men, witnesses, etc. But nowadays, I can feel that wedding in Spain, traditional wedding, are almost disappearing. Perhaps it's because people have not time enough to prepare a traditional wedding, or probably because we are becoming more realistic and feel not very comfortable with such a wedding. At the past, also something very important, ladies used to prepare their hope chest since they were very young, whereas now at this time ladies are studying. Another big difference between traditional and an actual wedding is that at the past, guests used to offer simple gifts. Now, at the actual time, nowadays, the gift is very different, because bride and groom indicate normally with their invitation, indicate the name of the shop where they have reserved their hope chest, or even sometimes they indicate their bank account where the guest can deposit some money as gift. Anyway, at the present, people prefer just living together than celebrating a wedding. That I can feel that is happening in one country and another, and at the other country. So that the two countries are very similar now in this kind of celebration.